What's going on, y'all? Welcome to another episode of Chowtime with Chau. I'm your host, Chau. All right, so we're hitting a food truck downtown. It's kind of off the beat of downtown, but it's not that far. It's called A Rustyc Spoon. So let's go get it. All right, I'm back with some goods, and I got some wings and fries. So the wings are PB&J flavor, and one is a black truffle, garlic truffle. So we definitely have to try that. It sounds delicious. Chicken capri wrap. Looks like a crunch wrap with whatever sauce that is on top. I'll find that in the description later. And then I got some crab Rangoon Empanadas and their tots that they have. I say we start with some fries. They're good fries. I don't know what sauce this is, but these are tots here. It's like a potato log. Oh yeah. That house made ketchup is so good. If you had a chance, do the fries or do the tater tots, I'll do the tater tots. Delicious. They're just crunchy, delicious, and like a bigger size tater tot. Water. It's just water. Okay, let's start with the wing. I think this is the black garlic truffle wing.
Oh, so the first wing was actually the PB&J wing. The second one is the black garlic parmesan truffle wings. Say that fast 3 times. Go. Black garlic parmesan truffle. Black garlic parmesan truffle. Black garlic parmesan truffle. Go, 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 go.
Okay, so the wings are good, nice, juicy, crunchy, good flavor. I think I actually go with I like the PB&J sauce better. It's not super, peanut butter, but it has a nice flavor to it. I'll give that a 8 chows. The black truffle, I'll give that 7.9 chows, just slightly under. Let's try this crunch wrap, this Caesar Capri chicken wrap. Good flavor, good season. It's a good chicken Caesar Capri wrap. I don't know what sauce they use, but I'll look at the description and I'll add it to it. But it's a nice blend of flavors to that one. The Capri, if you want the crunch wrap type, I'll give that 8 chows. That's pretty good. But what I really wanted was these crab Rangoon Empanadas. This is what I really wanted. Okay, so it has a nice crunch to the outside shell. Good cheesy, meaty combination flavor to this thing. Blends pretty well. Sweet, savory, cheesy all at the same time. Definitely 9.1 for those. This is a local food truck. It's parked next to Emerald Coast Brewery, downtown Pensacola. If you ever get a chance, give them a shot. It's really good food. It's tasty. They got different combinations, different flavors. They change the menu every month. So give them a try. All right, y'all. I hope you guys like, comment, share, subscribe, and remember, as always, Chowtime. Yeah, I'm gonna eat it.